In this video, we're going to talk about the cosine rule examples. But before we start, I want to know a few things. So let's say we are given a triangle with angles A for this angle, B, and C. So the opposing side, we can call it small letter A, and then for this angle B, the opposing side, we can call it small letter B. For this angle C, the opposing side, we can call it small letter C. So we can write out the cosine rule for each of these sides as C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2. Combination of these two values is AB cosine C, cosine the opposite angle to that side. So we can still do the same thing, write the cosine rule for A and for B. But if I want to write the cosine rule for the angle here instead of this side, I'll write cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square over 2AB, combination of these two here. So I can write it for the angle of A, for the angle of B, for the angle of C. So the cosine rule is used in two situations. The first situation is where you are given a triangle with three sides. So let's say you're given a triangle with a side, this and this side, and then you're asked to find this angle. You can use the cosine rule in this kind of scenario. We are given three sides and you're asked to find a triangle. And the second case where you can use the cosine rule is when you are given a side, an angle, let's say theta, and another side. So when the side, angle, and side are next to each other. So we can say this case is when you have side, angle, and side next to each other. That's when you use the cosine rule. So if this angle was to be here instead of here, we would not be able to use the cosine rule for this question. And then for this case, when you are given the three sides. So these are the best cases to use the cosine rule. So in this example, if you notice, like I said, you have to be given the three sides first before you use the cosine rule, or you have to be given the side, angle, side. So in this case, we have the side, angle, side. The rest of the cosine rule for this, y will now be equal to y square is equal to the square of the other two sides. So we have 5 square plus 3 square, and then minus 2. Combining the other two sides, we have 5 times 3. And then the angle of y opposing y. So this is cos 102 degrees. So that y square is equal to 5 square is 25 plus 3 square is 9 minus 2 times 5 times 3 is 30, cos 102. So we know that 25 plus 9 is equal to 34 minus 30 times cos 102 is approximately minus 6.2374 to 4 decimal places. So this is equal to 40.24 to 2 decimal places. So y square is this. So we can take the root of both sides. So if we take the root of both sides, we have y is equal to 6.34 centimeters. So let's quickly take another example. So let's say you are given a triangle and you are asked to find angle A. So in this case, the angle A has an opposing side. Let's call it little letter A. And then angle B has an opposing side. Let's call this little letter B. Then angle C has an opposing side. Let's call it little letter C. So if you want to write this cosine rule, write it as cosine rule of angle A, in terms of angle A, is cosine A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared divided by 2BC. So this is equal to, we already know B, we already know A, we already know C. So you can easily plug them into here. So B is what? 5 squared plus C is 7 squared minus A is 4 squared divided by 2 times B. B is 5, C is 7. So we have cosine of A to be equal to 5 squared is 25 plus 7 squared is 49 minus 4 squared is 16 divided by 2 times 5 is 10 times 7, 70. So dealing with everything on the numerator, 25 plus 49 minus 16 is equal to 58 divided by 70. So I have cosine A. So I'm going to take the cosine inverse of this. So cosine inverse is of 58 over 70 is equal to, note that 58 over 70 is equal to 0.8286. So I'm taking cosine inverse of this. So the cosine inverse of that is A is equal to 34.05 degrees. So that's the answer, and that's how to solve problems relating to cosine rule. So if you like the video, leave a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.